Un, dos, y un, dos, tres, y... Bueno, sí. Camina.
Hey guys, it's Allyson. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought that we could clean my room together. I will admit, the day I filmed this video, I was not very motivated to clean, and as you can see, it is extremely messy right now. So in order to motivate myself, I watched a few cleaning videos, and then I decided to just put on a movie I was familiar with so I could be entertained while I clean my room. I chose a movie that I've already seen because I needed it to be something that would entertain me, but not distract me too much so I would actually like clean. I hope this video motivates you to clean your space, and if it does, definitely let me know in the comments. And by subscribing to my channel if you want to see more motivational videos like this one.
Escucha mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar este ritmo tan sabroso.
I decided to start with my bed because I had a lot of clean laundry on there that I needed to fold and put away. And you guys know I hate anything about laundry, folding, washing. So I decided to just get that out of the way so I could move on to other things.
Se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando, ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar, muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás, muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Sí, escucha la salsa que te traigo ahora, ay, a Nueva York, a La Habana, donde quiera.
Now I'm just removing my sheets from my bed so I can go wash them in the laundry room. As you guys know, I like to do this earlier on in the cleaning process so my sheets will be done by the time I'm finished cleaning. So since I was already focusing on laundry, I decided I should just go around my room and just pick up all of my dirty clothes and put them in my laundry basket. I wasn't gonna start like my actual laundry right away, but at least I would help move things along. I took a little 5-minute break and then I got back to putting away some of the clothes that I found on my floor. Honestly, if it's on the floor and I know it's clean, I'm just gonna put it away. I don't automatically put things in the laundry basket if they're on the floor unless they're dusty. Then I decided to clear off my makeup table, and it's crazy how messy my makeup table has gotten in just a span of a week. I don't know if you guys have seen this video, but I filmed myself doing a super deep clean of my makeup table and like my makeup, and it's been a week and it already looks like this. I don't know how it got messy that fast, but if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it. Now I'm just wiping down my makeup table with my favorite glass cleaner. I like using the Sprayway glass cleaner, and it's even better when I use a microfiber towel. I just couldn't find any. But if you want really great looking mirrors, definitely use the Sprayway glass cleaner and a microfiber towel, and your glass will look perfect.
Where have you been? I've been looking for a place within all this carousel.
I wasn't ready to tackle my floors. There was just so much on the floor. So I am just clearing off my dresser. I have a bunch of like camera equipment and like boxes that I kind of just need to put away. I feel like now that I have my TV on my dresser, it doesn't accumulate as much mess. So it didn't take me that long. I ended up finding my microfiber towel, so I used that to dust my counter and my TV. Now we're moving on to the floor. I was avoiding this, but it is time. I had a ton of just like wrappers, packagings, all of that stuff, a lot of plastic. It was just a lot. So I just tackled it section by section so I wouldn't get too overwhelmed.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner.
My closet definitely needs some help, but I just was not in the mood to do that, so I kind of just ignored it and just put things away where they needed to be.
Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort.
I finally finished the section by my closet, so I moved on to the other side of my room. I'm just doing the same thing, picking up, you know, hairbrushes, nail clippers, like cords.
De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så allt när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, yeah.
I was about 2-ish hours in at this point, so don't let the movie fool you. I know it's only an hour long, but I kept pausing the movie to like do other things. So yeah, so this took me a lot longer than it seems.
Jag vet det bara life om aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om jag stay aldrig. Jag vet det bara life om aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid.
So this was the last section that I had to clean up before making my bed, and the tiredness is really starting to hit me, but I did push through and I kept going.
say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for.
As I was putting my covers back on my bed, I was literally sweating. I don't know why I was so hot. It might have been the studio lights or the fact that I was just a bit hungry, but like this just felt very labor intensive for no reason at all.
Girl, to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
I'm cleaning my mirror again with the Sprayway glass cleaner. I forgot to use the microfiber towel, but I mean, it still looks pretty good.
I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you.
The amount of dirt that was under my carpet was pretty disgusting. I was not expecting that. Honestly, I should have mopped under there, but I didn't really feel like it. But I can always do that later this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it motivated you to start cleaning your home or your room or any area that you've been wanting to clean but you've been avoiding. Like I said, I've been saying this the entire video. I was not motivated at all to clean, and though it did take me a long time, I did it. So even if you start with one section of your room, or start with like doing one thing like laundry or sweeping or just putting away a few things, that's better than doing nothing. So if you guys want to see more of these videos from me, definitely subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.